Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question split array. Okay, so let me explain with this example 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. And we have to split input array and create two arrays. And nums1 should contain distinct elements, and nums2 also contain distinct elements. And we have 2, 1 and 2, 2, right? So we need to separate 1, 1 and 2, 2, right? So that's why 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, right? And we have 1, 3 and 1, 4. So let's say we put 3 into nums1, so like 1, 2, 3. And we put 4 into nums2, so 1, 2, 4. So nums1 has distinct elements, right? And then nums2 also contain distinct elements. So that's why in this case we should return true. And let's think about a condition. So condition is how many same number do we have? So we have 1, 3 and 1, 4, right? In that case, we can create like a distinct element, right? So if we have 3 into nums1 and if we have 4 in nums2, so there's no problem, right? And how about if we have two same numbers, like a 2, 2 and 1, 1? Yeah, in that case, we can separate 1, 1 and 2, 2, right? So that's why we have 1, 2 in nums1 and 1, 2 in nums2. And then, so what if we have three same number? So let's say we have 1 here and 5 here. And 5 is no problem, right? Because 5 is a distinct number, so we can put 5 into nums1 or nums2. So let's put 5 into nums1. So 1, 2, 3, 5. And how about 1? So if we put 1 into nums1, so 1 will be duplicate, right? Because we already have 1 in nums1. And how about nums2? So also 1 will be duplicate, right? Because we already have 1 in nums2. So from this example, if we have 3 same number, in that case, we cannot create 2 numbers with the condition the description said. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, create a hash map. So count, and this is hash map. And first of all, let's count the frequency of each number. So for n in nums, and the count, and the key should be current number equal 1 plus count dot get, and the key is n, and the default value is 0. And then, so iterate through count hash map, and we need only values. So for var in count dot values, and then as I told you, if var, so this is a frequency of each number. So this value is greater than 2. In the case, return false. If not the case, return true. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And it seems like this is a new question. There are not enough accepted submission to show data. So, and the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is a number of elements in the input array, because we iterate through all elements one by one here. And the space complexity is also order of n. I think there is a case where all numbers are unique, so that's why. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with your actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.